Welcome back. Jim here. What I'm looking at here is a dead pine. You can see as I go up, it is dead all the way up. I'd like to just go ahead and start sawing it, but I got a feeling that some of those top branches might break off and conk me. So what I'm going to try first is put a little pull on it using the Hud-Son Forestry Equipment Winch. This is the 35M. It's got a 7,700 pound pull, and the way I've got it configured, I'm using double pulley, or some might say the Z setup, but I think if I read right, this gives me 3 times the pulling effort. Right here is one hitch block, and that's hooked up probably 10 feet from the base anyway. And then that goes over to this white birch, where I have another pulley set up. Another pulley here, and which goes back to the tractor. So this configuration, I've seen it called a Z setup, the way the cables are. So let's see what happens. So first off, I'll take up the slack and then give it a little yank. Hopefully the top will break off, or maybe it'll pull more than that down. We'll see. I do want to get a couple of sticks out of there, I guess. Alright, so that worked out pretty good. It pulled the whole tree down. That's exactly what I wanted. That way I don't have to mess with worrying about something falling on my head. I don't know why the thing didn't blow down before now. But with 7,700 pounds pulling on the winch, I count 3 cables, so it's at least doubled it, if not tripled, that power. And that's why it was able to pull the tree, tip it right over. So, this won't be too long a video, I guess, because now all I'm going to do is chunk it up. Thanks for watching, and if you liked or learned anything about the Hud-Son winch, give me a like, and please subscribe. So thanks again, and I've got more videos coming. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to set up, and now that we've pulled the tree down, you can see half of it's out of the ground. I want to flip it this way so the other half comes out of the ground, so I'm not trying to wrestle with the roots that's in the ground. So hopefully I can get it completely disconnected. Got to give a lot of credit to that Hud-Son winch. I pulled that tree over, and the tractor was on idle the whole time. Success. I did yank it back the other way, but keep in mind this tree was pretty gone to start with. But it saved me a lot of sawing.